Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the same designs with a total 6 color options. First one is a baby pink, second one is a dark navy blue, third one is a sky, fourth one is a yellow, fifth one is a maroon, and last but not the least, my personal favorite, the magenta color combination. Totally body you receive the slub prints in a premium quality soft Dola material. Saree, with the border part you receive the golden zari views and contrast color combination, and pallu parts you receive the big size printed pallu and unique contrast color combination resin thread tassels part. We have more than 4,500 plus options in a different category and affordable price point. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application Android and iOS device. Let us start the video. Here you can see the first color, the kalamkari patch prints with a slub prints in the body, the khaki color combination and contrast pink color combination border in elegant lightweighted soft Dola material saree. Second one is a dark navy blue color combination. Look at the beauty of this dark navy blue color combination and same dark navy blue color combination resin thread tassels part. Third one is a sky color combination. Here you can see the sky blue color combination. Third one is a golden yellow color combination. Golden yellow color combination with a golden yellow tassels part. Fourth one is a maroon color combination, maroon color border and maroon color combination resin thread tassels part. Let me show you the last but not the least, the sixth color combination, the magenta color combinations in a full look of the saree. Big size pallu with elephant patterns in digitally formats with a magenta color combination resin thread tassels part. With both sides you receive the golden zari border part. Here you can see the golden zari border in both sides. You receive the temple elegant patterns with elephant prints in upper part of this body and with slub prints in a digitally format. The saree you received at just rupees 850, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the magenta color combination plain blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D., our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand and daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs, and if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So, must be book one day before on your suitable time slot in our customer care executive number. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.